Today's video, I will be setting up a dessert table. I'm challenging myself a little bit today because instead of doing what I was taught 20 years ago, I decided to do something just a little different, and I'll explain as I'm going along. I'm starting off, as you can see here, I'm starting off with all the items that I would have in my home. You can do the same thing. I have a vase here I'm going to use. I have a bowl turned upside down that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 2 candle holders and another bowl that I have. I'm going to start with my centerpiece. And as I'm doing this dessert table, I'm going to give you little tips on how you can take your dessert table to another level with store-bought baked goods. Okay. Full disclaimer. I started off with a chocolate cake that I purchased, and I didn't like the top. So I took the top layer off, put a candle holder plate in the center, and then this I made an artificial kissing ball. And I think that turned out perfect. Okay, what I did here was I bought some yellow cupcakes, and then I sprinkled gold glitter sprinkles on the top, and I placed here for color black raspberries. Okay, on this dessert plate, I placed chocolate cupcakes with chocolate icing, with silver glitter, and red raspberries to give it the color. Now, not everybody likes chocolate, so I have here pumpkin roll slices. Again, catering to the chocolate lovers, I'm placing chocolate brownies with a chocolate fudge topping, and then I topped it off with the glitter gold sprinkles. And not everybody likes desserts filled with sugar, so I have here yogurt cups. I just have 2 added touches for my dessert table that I'd like to talk about. And that is, instead of placing your full-size napkins, these are beverage-sized napkins for a dessert table. And I'm going to place those right here. And then my last touch, printed up a sign for my dessert table, and I think it just finishes it. I love how this dessert table turned out with me using most of the items that I have here at home. Down in the comment section, let me know your thoughts. And I, at this point in time, would like to thank Nicole from Rental World, PA, for my glass charger plates. I'd also like to thank Claudia from Special Occasions and Queen Street Linens for my beautiful linens. If you like what I have done and you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And until next time, be blessed.